30 eggs. This packet is only $9, you know, AED. In Australia, this one single carton here is already $9. Fuck, this shit is a bargain, man. $9. Oh my days. This is trouble here. Fireworks. 3 pieces for only 124. Jeez. Okay, let's take one. Which one did they use yesterday?
This one.
That one? Oh fuck. Shit was loud, bro. Yeah, we'll take these ones.
This is the one we went in Thailand.
Yeah, in Thailand.
เพราะว่าปูนี่เหรอมาเมื่อเพสปูนี่มันติดตาที่มึงกับตัวนี้
Hey, don't bust this up.
What's the biggest one?
Hey,
That's the one they used yesterday.
hey, if you want to get better ones, you need to go to
Chinois.
not Chinois.